Introduction to pollinators. Pollinators play a crucial role in food production by facilitating the reproduction of many plants. These organisms, including insects, birds, bats, and other animals, transfer pollen from one flower to another, enabling plants to produce fruits, seeds, and vegetables. Without pollinators, the production of many of the foods we rely on would be significantly reduced. The pollination process. Pollination is the transfer of pollen from the male parts of a flower, anthers, to the female parts, stigmas, of another flower. This process is essential for fertilization, which leads to the production of seeds and fruits. Pollinators help this transfer occur efficiently by moving pollen between flowers as they search for nectar and pollen to feed on. Types of pollinators. Several types of pollinators contribute to food production. Insects are the most common, including bees, butterflies, and beetles. Bees, in particular, are highly effective pollinators due to their behavior of collecting pollen and their preference for specific types of flowers. Birds, such as hummingbirds and bats, also play significant roles, especially in pollinating plants with larger flowers or those that bloom at night. Impact on crop yields. Pollinators directly impact crop yields by enhancing the productivity of flowering plants. Many crops, such as apples, almonds, cucumbers, and tomatoes, depend on pollinators for successful fruit and seed production. Studies have shown that crops with adequate pollinator activity produce higher yields and better quality fruits compared to those without sufficient pollination. Economic value of pollinators. The economic value of pollinators is immense. It is estimated that pollinators contribute billions of dollars annually to global agriculture. This value comes from increased crop yields, improved quality, and the diversification of plant species. Farmers often rely on managed pollinator services, such as renting honeybee colonies, to ensure successful crop production. Biodiversity and ecosystem health. Pollinators contribute to biodiversity and ecosystem health by supporting the growth of a wide variety of plants. Many plants rely on specific pollinators for reproduction, and these plants, in turn, provide food and habitat for other wildlife. Healthy pollinator populations help maintain balanced ecosystems and support the overall health of our environment. Threats to pollinators. Pollinators face several threats that can impact food production. Habitat loss due to urbanization and agricultural expansion, pesticide use, climate change, and disease are significant challenges. These factors can lead to declines in pollinator populations, which in turn affect crop yields and ecosystem health. Conservation efforts. Efforts to conserve and protect pollinators are essential for maintaining food production and biodiversity. Strategies include creating pollinator-friendly habitats, reducing pesticide use, and supporting research on pollinator health. Initiatives such as planting wildflowers, preserving natural areas, and promoting sustainable farming practices can help provide resources and safe environments for pollinators. Role of farmers and consumers. Farmers and consumers also play a role in supporting pollinator health. Farmers can implement practices such as crop rotation, planting cover crops, and maintaining natural habitats to benefit pollinators. Consumers can support local agriculture and eco-friendly practices by choosing products that are grown sustainably and promoting pollinator-friendly practices. Conclusion. Pollinators are indispensable to food production, contributing to the reproduction of many plants and the production of a diverse range of crops. Their role extends beyond agriculture to maintaining biodiversity and ecosystem health. Addressing the threats faced by pollinators through conservation efforts and sustainable practices is crucial for ensuring the continued availability of the foods we depend on. Recognizing and supporting the vital role of pollinators helps safeguard our food systems and the environment.